I'm free to be whatever I choose, and I'll sing the blues if I want. I'm free to say whatever I like. If it's wrong or right, it's alright. It always seems to me you only see what people want you to see. How long's it gonna be before you get on the bus and cars? No fuss, get a grip for yourself, it don't cost much. You're free to be whatever you say, and if it comes my way, it's alright. Here in my mind, you know you might find something that you thought you once knew, but now it's all gone, and now it's no fun, and now it's no fun, and now it's no fun. Hi, I'm Vasco, and today we're taking a look at Whatever by Oasis. We're going to do it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. Grab yours and let's see how to play this little simplified version that I play. Alright, in the song we have three different parts. The first one is the intro, which also after that we use for the verse, but I'm doing something like a little picking that I would like to come closer to show you what I'm doing in the intro. It's basically almost just strumming the chords, but here and there I'm accenting a little bit more on some tones. So I'm coming closer to show you exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so we start with the chord of G. And here I'm accenting the melodies on the A string, 2nd fret. Then I grab the D chord. With one finger, for me it's easier. You can grab it with 3 as well. But again, the melody is on the A string. Or actually you can, here on the G string, 2nd fret is the same. And then we go to E minor. But here the melody is on the E string already. Or again, G string open. E string 3rd fret. Or G string open. So I'm accenting more on this string, right? Then again to D. And here again we play mostly on the E string. 2, 2, 3 with a hammer on. And then I play the C chord with the hammer on here, staying on the 3rd fret, right? And then I bar the 2nd fret, strum it, A string, G string, and here this thing. On the E string, 3, 5, 3, and here is something a little bit more complicated. You can skip this if it's too complex for you, but I'm doing this D chord, and immediately hammer on from the 2nd to the 4th fret of the C string, and after that on the 3rd fret of the E string with the hammer on to the 5th, and then playing it again. Right? So let's do it slowly. And after that we go to the verse, for which we hold the same chords basically. I'm free, G to D to E minor to D to C to D to G to D, and again G to D to E minor to D to C to D to G. The 2nd time we hold it a little bit more, right? The G chord. We don't go back to D. And the strumming I'm doing here is something like down, a little bit muted down, 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 up, all right? To do this muted down, I'm basically releasing the pressure from my left hand, right? I'm free to be whatever I choose, and I'll sing the blues if I want. I'm free to say whatever I like, and if wrong or right, it's alright. And here, right before going to the chorus, I like to do this G to G major 7 basically, but the idea is that here on the E string we do 3, 2, right? And grabbing the E minor here, starting the chorus. It always seemed to me to A7, right? Then to C. You always see what people want you to see. G, and again this. Ba, da, down. How long is it gonna be? Again, C. Before you get on the bus and cause no fuss, but this time to D. Get a grip for yourself, it don't cost much. Alright, and the strumming I'm doing here is down, 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 down. See what people want you to see. Here on the last two, down, 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 down. How long is it gonna be? Before you get on the bus and cause no fuss, get a grip for yourself, it don't cost much. And you get to the verse again. You're free to be whatever you like, and if it's alright. And basically throughout the song we're just going between these two parts, except when we go to the bridge, which starts with B major, here in my mind, to G. You know you might find, again, B to G, and one more time, something that you, alright, and now again B, you thought you once knew, but here to F sharp, now it's all gone, and here we have E, G, A, E, alright, so for the E I'm basically just barring the upper 3 strings on the 4th fret, and I'm muting the A string, not really playing it. Casual bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, 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 down. So the E comes a little bit earlier on the offbeat. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and, right? 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Maybe this is actually the trickiest thing of the whole song. And now it's no fun. And now it's no fun. And now it's no fun. And we get back to. And pretty much this sums up my tutorial for Whatever by Oasis. In the learning materials you can get the printable, which will be easier to learn, and also the interactive tabs for the intro, which you can slow down and learn at a slow pace, and after that little by little speed up. Thank you very much for watching, for subscribing and everything. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.